Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hit the gray bell, subscribe, and like up. So like, subscribe, gray bell if you do get a kiss. Mwah. Thank you. Love you guys. It's been a hot minute. I haven't posted a video in like 5 days just because like there's been like no tea to talk about. There really hasn't like anything good and juicy, you know? I do have a Jeffree Star Cosmetics haul I can post for you guys. Well, film and post if you guys want to see that. Just like up the video to let me know if you want to do that. But other than that, I don't know what else to post. But waiting for some juicy tea, and I finally have some tea, sort of. So you guys were asking me to do a video about Patrick Starrr and his latest, drama. And I was like, you know what? I haven't talked about Patrick Starrr in, I don't think ever, really. At least on this channel. Maybe I have on Instagram Live like years ago, but excuse me. So let's talk about Patrick Starrr. Okay, so he's pretty much just kind of laid low. You know, he's just, his channel's constantly growing. He's done that makeup Get Ready With Me's with a bunch of celebrities like Kim Kardashian and stuff like that. I think people are really mean towards him. I think about his looks. A lot of people compare him to Patrick Starrr, like the starfish in SpongeBob, and that's really mean. I don't think he looks like him at all, like the fictional character on SpongeBob. I think Patrick Starrr is really pretty. I think he's gorgeous. But anyway, yeah, so there's like a lot to discuss. But I'm just gonna focus mainly on what's been going on with him and constantly vocalizing his opinions on the hate that Nikita Dragun is been getting recently, because Nikita Dragun's having these influencer parties, not wearing her mask allegedly, just not taking things seriously. People are hating on her, and he's like making fun of the hate that she's getting, and like, oh, you know, being sassy and bitchy and stuff, which a lot of people are saying over the last couple of years that he has his bitchy side, and he possibly allegedly could be canceled next because there might be things from his past that might get exposed, and he might be exposed. And I have to agree with you guys. I think that he has this bitchy side that he's kind of let, you know, he's trying to kind of swallow it. You know what I mean? Like, he wants to say things, but he keeps his mouth shut. But every now and then he does like a bitchy tweet. He'll do like a bitchy rant. He'll let it out. So behind that little fake smile he has, there's a lot of bitchiness that's ready to come out. So I wouldn't be surprised if people see the real him and the mask falls, because it always does. Most of these influencers you see are all fake. They're all bitches who want money and fame, and they'll do anything to get it. You know how it is. And is Patrick Starrr the same? Most likely, allegedly. So just a matter of time before he gets exposed too. Patrick Starrr will get exposed. The house girl. Mark my words, it's gonna happen this year or next year. Patrick Starrr will get canceled. It's bound to happen. Hope it happens soon, because we need someone else to cancel, because I'm like bored. I'm like, for real. But anyway, you guys, like this video, subscribe, great bell, and I will see you in a video very soon. Like the video if you want to see another the Jeffree Star Cosmetics haul, and I'll post that for you guys soon. But yeah, like, great bell, subscribe. Bye, guys.